Let's go.
BSc Biotechnology or Botany. Second year detailed syllabus. Biotechnology second year. Semester third. Immunology, immune system, blood groups, vaccines, antigen and antibodies. Important topics: humoral immunity, cell-mediated immunity, antibody structure, vaccination. Plant biotechnology, plant tissue culture, Caras culture, micropropagation, transgenic plants. Important topics: sterilization, somatic, microbial genetics, mutation, transformation, conjugation, recombinant DNA. Important topics: plasmids, gene mapping, genetic recombination. Biostatics, mean, median, mode, probability. Important topics: correlation, data analysis, sampling methods. Practicals: tissue culture, microbial staining, sterilization technique, statistical calculation. Semester 4th. Molecular biology, DNA structure, transcription, translation, gene regulation. Important topics: DNA replication, RNA types, protein synthesis, operon concept. Animal biotechnology, cloning, animal cell culture, IVF technology, stem cells. Important topics: hybridoma technology, transgenic animals. Bioinformatics, NCBI, BLAST, genome analysis, biological databases. Important topics: sequence element, protein databases. Practicals: DNA isolation, PCR basics, gel electrophoresis, database searching. Botany second year, semester third. Bryophyta, mosses, liverworts, reproduction. Important topics: classification, life cycle, economics importance. Pteridophytes, form, fossils, plants, evolution. Important topics: reproduction, classification. जिम्नोस्पर्म्स के टॉपिक्स हैं साइकस, पीनस, सीड फॉर्मेशन. इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स: प्लांट स्ट्रक्चर, इकोनॉमिक्स इंपॉर्टेंस. प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी, प्लांट फोटोसिंथेसिस, respiration, water absorption, plant hormones. Important topics: transpiration, mineral nutrition. Plant biotechnology, enzyme, carbohydrate, proteins, lipids. Important topics: metabolism, enzyme action. Practicals: plant anatomy slides, photosynthetic experiment. Osmosis experiment. Semester 4. Angiosperm, flower structure, pollination, seed development. Important topics: fertilization, plant families. Ecology, ecosystem, food chain, pollution, conservation. Important topics: biodiversity, ecological balance. Economic botany, medicinal plants, food crops, fiber crops, industrial plants. Plant pathology, plant diseases, fungal diseases, bacterial diseases, viral diseases. Important topic: disease control, rust disease, smush disease. Practicals: herbium preparation, plant identification, medicinal plant study, disease identification. Most important topics: biotechnology, DNA replication, PCR, tissue culture, immunology, recombinant DNA technology. Botany, photosynthetic, bryophytes, plant hormones, ecology, plant diseases. Career options: research scientific, lab technician, agriculture officer, pharma industry. Environmental scientific, teacher and professor.